If you make physics out of time, you will be dead. If you have a right chemistry with the time, you will become biology.
Meet Love Charger Urf Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh.
You are the love charger. You are the love charger.
Convicted in 2 cases of rapes and 1 case of murder and is currently in jail. He is also facing charges of more murders and forcible castration of hundreds of his followers. And then we have Nityanand. इनके बारे में तो जितना कहो उतना कम है. He fled the country after sexual misconduct charges, and since then he has established his own country, has started giving out visas, passports, and even issued his own currency.
Internal currency usage and external world currency exchange, everything legally.
And the ज्ञान that he gives now would absolutely baffle you. आसाराम बापू को तो आप जानते ही होंगे. He had millions of followers, hundreds of ashrams and unlimited wealth. He was convicted of raping a minor girl and is currently in Jodhpur jail.
कितनी बड़ी हो चाहे मुसीबत फिर ना टिकने पाए है जोगी रे.
And then we have Sant Rampal, who claims to follow the teachings of Lord Kabir. He has thousands of followers across North India and is currently in jail for a murder charge. Believe me, I can go on and on. But despite all these accusations and even convictions in many cases, these followers continue to worship these godmen. Why? What attracts them? What is about these godmen that these followers follow them so blindly? And why even convictions in many crimes are not enough? There are many reasons behind it, but first of all, let us talk about the followers. People are deeply religious and they often believe in miracles and even superstition. Any fake godman or a godwoman knows this, and it becomes extremely easy for any person to exploit these vulnerabilities for their own benefit. और इन followers का faith कई बार इतना ज़्यादा हो जाता है that they are ready to sacrifice their own life for them, as we saw during the case of Gurmeet Ram Rahim Singh, when his followers were responsible for violence and even riots that claimed more than 40 lives. In fact, followers of many such godmen and godwomen refuse to believe that their guru has done anything wrong. They believe that it is a conspiracy by the media, judiciary, and even the government against them. Now that we know how strong their faith, or should I call blind faith, is, let us focus on the reasons behind them. First of all, we need to see where these followers are coming from. Many of these followers believe that their existing faith and society have failed them. They feel trapped, and suddenly you have a Baba who claims to have miraculous powers, can make you feel good about yourself, and can promise to solve your problems. And here you have a follower. If you notice the teachings of these leaders, they have one common thing. They make you feel better about yourself. They motivate you to lead a better life. अगर आप शराब से addicted हैं, तो you can get access to de-addiction center. If you are poor, you can get free food. If you have health issues, then you can get good medical care. और अगर आपको आपकी कास्ट की वजह से निग्लेक्ट किया जाता है, तो आपको मिलता है एक इक्वालिटी का मौका. This is how these things attract a person who is already suffering. While these offerings and teachings are not bad, of course, but at the same time, a person needs to be very sure that he is at a place where no illegal thing is happening. What does a follower get once he or she joins this cult? You can get access to their sabhas, their teachings, food, education, and even their products. All this makes the person believes that this is an entirely different world where everything is good and positive. This escape from reality explains the addiction behind this faith. अब आते हैं इनके ऑरा पर. Once you are inside their so-called ashram, आपको ऐसा बिलीव करवाया जाता है जैसे यही सब कुछ है. Every sighting of the leader is considered to be auspicious. Every word from their mouth is considered to be a gospel truth, and everything around you is designed in a way to make you believe that this leader is everything. At the same time, you hear other followers जो आपको ये बताते हैं कि कैसे उनकी सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो गई यहाँ आने से. Then you have no reason to not follow these stealth style godmen or godwomen. उसी के बीच में आप देखेंगे कि कैसे कई बार बड़े बड़े politicians और celebrities भी इन गुरुज के पास आते हैं. This further makes you believe in these larger than life leaders. An aura is created around a godman or a godwoman to make you believe that they can never do anything wrong. And if anybody points out any wrong thing, it is seen as a conspiracy. This is the reason why you still see these followers defending their godmen or godwomen. They refuse to see any evidence or even court convictions. And this blind faith is not limited to one religion, one region, one caste, or one class. It is everywhere where people are ready to fall in this trap. So here we have the recipe: faith, plus superstition plus dissatisfaction plus disillusion plus aura plus promises of miracles. This is all one needs to fall into the trap of such godman or a godwoman. We had asked this question to you in our Instagram stories and many of you had suggested these reasons. What else do you think is a reason behind this? Why do these followers still follow convicted and criminals, godmen and godwomen? Let me know in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.